Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Hi there, my name is Shanda Sumter with Hardcore Woman, and today I want to teach you some tested and proven formulas for making money online the conscious way. You're about to discover why some women are making money online while others are making mainstream mistakes that are costing them way too much money and peace of mind. Why your website isn't creating the success that you want is one of the following. You don't have a big list of buying clients to introduce your website to, and therefore that is a critical component to making money online. Technology is your sticking point, but here's the big one. You're confused on what to do first and need a step-by-step plan to follow so that you're successful. I'm about to share with you critical online steps that many other thought leaders would have you take 3 different programs to learn. In one simple and easy to follow formula, I'm going to show you how to do this, so stay with me here. To put it another way, what you're doing today is why clients can't find you. It's also why you're confused and need clarity to move full speed ahead in your business. It's also why you're not making money consistently, and how come you're still looking for that golden method that converts online lookers into paying clients. Introducing the all-inclusive Making Money Online the Conscious Way formula. Making money online the conscious way formula builds a business around your purpose. So instead of just doing something to make money, I want to show you how to develop an entire business around something that you love. I'm going to show you how to design your website for $200 or less. Inexpensive technology help, so you do not have to deal with trying to put up sites or trying to put up pages or any of the technical issues that tend to stop people from moving full steam ahead. How to find your ideal client. That's a whole group of people out there right now that are looking for you. They're your ideal client. They think like you, they breathe like you, they're just like you. And I'm going to show you how to find them and identify them. Step-by-step plan for making money online. So like I said, that's one of the biggest reasons why you're not making money right now, is because you don't have a clear step-by-step plan to do it. How to find free marketing. You can have a great idea, but if you don't know how to market it, then you will continue to have empty pockets. So I want to show you how to market. Increase membership sales and loyalty. So if you have a membership site, or you want to create a membership site or a membership model within your business where people are paying you every single month, I want to show you how to do that. Blogging secrets. So if you've ever put up a blog before and realized, oh, nobody's coming to my blog, there are secrets that the gurus know that bring people to your site, bring eyes, and bring converted buyers. Network with other conscious business owners. This is really big because I always say your network is your net worth. The people that you know and you surround yourself with are the sum of what's in your bank account. So the formula is the closest 5 people. So look around you. Who are the 5 people you spend most of your time with? Those are the people that make up your net worth. So are you interested in increasing that net worth? I also want to give you my personal $8,000 a month formula. So I'm not telling you you're going to make $8,000 a month. I have to put that disclaimer in there because of, rules and regulations now out in the market. But I'll tell you that this formula creates $8,000 a month if it's followed step by step. Give me 1 day and 4 hours. So how long have you been trying to build a business? How long have you been trying to create financial freedom or the life that you want? All I'm asking you for is 1 day and 4 hours. So if you know right now, go ahead and click the big orange button below. If you know that you already want to jump into this program with me and you're ready to go. Here's what happened when we tested this program live with a test group of people. Shanda, my biggest takeaway, thank you for the significant and important how-tos to help in defining and expanding my business and increasing my clients and the number of people I can reach overall. I didn't want to reinvent the wheel. You confirmed this feeling of giving up the individual struggle and getting help with what is needed. I was pleasantly surprised by the nature of business represented in this and the business persons who participated in this program. Very compassionate and innovative bunch. Leslie. Thank you, Leslie. Shanda, you literally walked us through the steps to begin making money online. Blogging, building my list, free gift concepts, and how to drive everything back to my free gift. Thank you, Karen. I now know how to correct my current website. The freedom inside of me that popped when Shanda was explaining to me what to do brought tears of relief to my eyes. Literally a prayer answered. I am such a state of gratitude. Blessings, Tammy. The biggest thing, there were so many. The understanding emotional needs of my clients versus telling your clients how to takes the pressure off generating content. The $8,000 a month blueprint helped for sure. The techie advice, this one always scared me. The way to create multiple income streams in your sleep, and also all your slow boat to China stuff so we can get on our yachts. Lots of laughs. Thank you, girl, for the generous spirit. XO, Rebecca. So here's what I'm showing you. That I'll stand behind my word, 100% money back guarantee. Here's my promise to you. Join our live event, which it was recorded live, so you're getting an unedited version of the actual live event, and listen to the content. Listen to the MP3s. If for some reason you don't receive all that you need to become clear, build a vibrant and conscious business, we'll make it right by giving you 100% of your money back, no questions asked. So here's the deal. There's nothing to lose whatsoever. So go ahead and click the orange button below and let's get started today. So here's my warning to you. If you keep doing the same thing you've always done, then the question becomes, how will tomorrow be any different than today? Just think about that for a second. If you keep doing the same thing that you've always done, then the question becomes, how will tomorrow be any different than today? So go ahead and click the big orange button below. And I look forward to seeing you in Making Money Online the Conscious Way.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.